To manage date and time settings on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to launch our settings. Navigate all the way down and select System. Then there's date and time. Right here we have all of the settings regarding it. The first one is set time automatically. When it's disabled, it will allow you to adjust the date and time manually. When it's enabled, it will adjust it automatically using network settings. And I would recommend to go with enabled, otherwise you might encounter some internet problems. But if you want, you can disable it and then just click on date as well as the time to change it manually. Next is time zone. You can also set it automatically or pick it manually. Then enable location. And last one is in time format. You can enable or disable use local default. That means your 24 hours or 12 hours format. You can switch right here and you can enable or disable that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.